How to use the Govee app. So first, let's head over to the profile and let's sign in with our account. Once you're signed in, click on the Join Now button and then Join Now. And there you go. So first, let's add a device. Let's click the plus icon. And here you will see all of the devices that you can add. Indoor lighting, outdoor LED strip light, other lights, kitchen electronic, air treatment, and sensors. Now let's head back. Let's go to the Bluetooth mode. Let's make sure we enable Bluetooth. So I'm just gonna tap Bluetooth here to enable it. And now it's gonna start searching for Bluetooth devices nearby. Now let's head over to the second screen right here. Here we have the Feature Hub, the shortcuts, and the auto run. Feature Hub is the control center for Govee's extra or smart features. It has group control where it synchronizes Govee devices together, Dream View where it synchronizes lights, automation, tap to run shortcuts, and other features depending on your devices. Now Auto Run is Govee's automation system. It lets you tell Govee when something happens, do something to my devices. For example, every day at 7 p.m., turn bedroom lights on. Set them to warm white, set brightness to 30%. Here we can make a new selection of the devices that we want to use the tap to run feature. You also have the music dream view where you either use the microphone from your phone or from the device itself to listen to music and make the lights follow the music kind of. Here we can see all of the updates. The most interesting thing about these updates is when you get to see other people's creations with the Govee lights. And here we have the shopping cart where you can see all of the Govee products that are on sale that you can buy right now. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.